In this video, I will show you how to disconnect a domain from Shopify. To do this, go and open up your Shopify dashboard and go to Settings in the bottom left. Now here, go to Domains, and you will find your domains. So here I have my primary domain, and then I have some subdomains. Now, for example, for a subdomain, you just hover over it and click Delete Domain. But you probably want to know how to delete your main domain that your store is actually hosted on. To do that, click on it, and then here go Domain Settings, and select Delete, in this case subdomain. For you it could also be your main domain. Just click Delete, then choose a new primary domain. You can always change it back to your myshopify.com domain, or you can first connect a new one and then select that right here. But for this example, I'll just change it to my myshopify.com domain and click Delete Domain. From there, it's going to delete this domain, and now my store is going to be hosted on this .myshopify.com domain again, and I'll just delete this one right here too. After doing that, all my domains except for the standard domain are deleted. Now you can connect a new one if you want to, you can buy a domain, whatever you want to do from here. So that's how to disconnect a domain from your Shopify store. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.